This project is an IoT-based smart water purification system designed to convert flood water into cleaner and safer water using a multi-layer filtration process. During floods, access to clean drinking water becomes a major challenge. Our solution addresses this problem by filtering contaminated water through 4 purification layers. The filtration unit consists of gravel, activated carbon, zeolite, and sand. Gravel removes larger particles and debris. Activated carbon helps reduce odor, color, and organic impurities. Zeolite is used to absorb harmful contaminants and improve water quality. Finally, the sand layer removes fine suspended particles, producing much cleaner water. To automate the process, we have integrated a soil moisture sensor that monitors the water level in the first stage. When the water level becomes low, the ESP32 controller automatically activates a water pump to refill the filtration chamber with flood water. The entire system is connected through IoT technology. Users can monitor the water level, pump status, and system operation using a mobile application. The pump can also be controlled remotely through the app, providing convenience and real-time monitoring. This project demonstrates how smart technology and natural filtration materials can work together to provide a low-cost and efficient water purification solution, especially during flood situations and emergency conditions. Thank you for watching.